let's start us off. So this is the situation where you want to have applause. So you're in theater and you want to get applause. So this is great. This myWorkBoard is great for having a big marker on a smaller surface. What do you think, Heather?
I love it. I think that's great. A lot of times I like to use my, let me start over. So a lot of times I like to use my workboard as a way, as an intro to a video. So I might send video emails, or I might make a video for social media, and I'll say, howdy visual friends, and then share my message.
Or applause, or something like, please mute yourself, or whatever. So that is good to be seen. And I like the gray. So this is a part of this Werkband, and I like it if it's gray. Do you know why, Heather? Do you know why I prefer gray than black?
I don't know why you prefer gray, but I do.
because all these cameras, a camera is always the camera's work is cameras won't see gray. Just everything she wants is gray, and if you have this gray, it's a real natural gray for the camera, and you have no problems. If you use the black flip chart, so I have to change the camera. You could have problems with the light. So this is not black, so it's a bit gray, and this is a real gray, and it looks like this. So I like this very much because it's good for camera stuff.
Yeah, I love it because it's so smooth. It's better than slate, and it's not slick like plastic, like some of the coverings on some products are plastic. Yeah. I just love this color. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonderful. What else do you use your workboard for?
My workboard? So I'm often using these Instacards, this Instacart stuff.
Well, let me interrupt you and let me tell you more about how I use the workboard then.
Okay, then talk
I have even more. So I showed you before.
Your turn. Let's flow. Heather's. Oh yes, Heather.
That's right.
I thought we were markers.
I thought you had more ways. Okay, sorry about that, folks. So anyway, I wanted to share with you some other ways that I use the workboard. So I shared earlier that I use the clipboard for some of my coaching, and this is a different coaching model that I use. It's called Art Career Theorem, and I'm actually using whiteboard markers because this is two-sided.
This looks gorgeous. Yes.
Yeah, I use whiteboard markers. And because it's virtual, you notice you can see my ring light, and that makes a really annoying light right here. And so sometimes what I'll do is I'll just find something on my desk and put it under it so that you don't have those reflections. And the client, again, really likes to be able to see me draw as they're writing. And so I use it for that. And just like I showed you how to get used to a lot of your sketchbooks, I'll do the same thing when I get new markers for my whiteboard. I'll test them out by using different parts of the marker. So I'm using the broad edge of a wedge here. I'm using the very tip of the nib here. And then both these black and red are round nibs. And so you can see, you can even play with the hierarchy that's on a board. And sometimes I even teach with it. So this is, you'll see it's kind of scraped up because this is close to, well, this is probably a year old now that I drew on this, and it'll come right off with water. And this is when I taught how to use the chalkboard side of the workboard. Yeah. Are you ready to talk about Instacards? Oh yeah, what questions do you have?
Yes, there are questions. So yes, you can use both sides at the same time, but pay attention on your cloth. So if you use the side with chalk and the other side with your whiteboard marker, you should pay attention what to put on your legs in this case. So this is my experience with it. Mm-hmm. So the chalkboard is no problem for your clothes. You can even wash it away, no problem.
Yeah, it's all washable.
This stuff, Heather. So it's so cool. So this looks like I needed to have this bucket. I don't know if anybody else had this bucket, but this looks so cool. So to clean up this stuff, or you can just use this one. So clean
Yep.
up this too. It looks a bit, but I like this bucket. It's crazy. You can put some flowers in or some markers, full of markers. There's a lot of space. Or some water. I don't know for what is this for, but I have it.
Yeah. So you also have this, mine's
Yes.
really dirty. And sometimes I
Mine's
throw
not
it in
that
the
dirty.
washer.
It's just white. I prefer white chalk, and you
Yeah.
can't see it.
Ah, there you go. And I like the orange and the pink. And so this is a great thing to put down on your lap as you're working on your myWorkBoard, because you'll have, this is for erasing. So it's easy, it's close by for erasing, and it
Yes.
also protects your clothes too.
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
This is great stuff. I wouldn't have thought of it. Yes, great.